Right, dear children, welcome back to the class. We're looking at the chapter called Rational Numbers, and we have discussed so many things, right? Before getting to know about what are rational numbers, we talked about natural numbers, and we have seen the symbol also n. And natural numbers means these are the numbers which are used for counting, and they come naturally to us. So we have seen them, and there are infinite natural numbers. We have seen that. Whole numbers means all natural numbers along with zero. They are called as whole numbers and symbol is W. And we have seen that also. And number line, we have seen a number line means it's an imaginary line on which all numbers, not only one or two numbers, all numbers are written. So whatever numbers are there, if I'm able to write them, so that is called as number line. We have seen that. On a number line, how many numbers will be there? Infinite numbers can be written on number line or not? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Infinite numbers can be written on number line. On number line, we can write so many numbers. Yes, okay, there is a possibility to write so many numbers. Okay, that's one thing. And when we talk about integers, integers means all these whole numbers along with negative of natural numbers. Look at this. Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all that. And negative of natural numbers means -1, -2, -3. All these things comes in integers. And representation of integer is like dot, 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 dot. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then dot, dot, dot. It is up to infinity. Z came from Zehelan. Zehelan means to count. So for commercial purpose, we are doing them. And I told you all the meaning of positive and negative. Yes or no? For example, a car is here. For example, a car is standing here. Okay, a car is there. Now, if it is goes in this direction, if the speed is like or the velocity, we say velocity that you will study in 9th standard, 40 kilometer per hour means if it is going in opposite direction, we can say it as -40 kilometer per hour. No, I mean, answer is like here also it is moving with speed 40 kilometer per hour. Here also it is moving with speed 40 kilometer per hour. But just to show opposite direction, we use plus and minus. No, these plus and minus are done for our comfort. If I'm giving you money, I will consider that as positive. If I'm taking money from you, I'll take it as negative. I gave you this example also. Milkman, the bill is like for milkman, bill is for 1,438. You gave him 2,000 means it is plus 2,000. He will take this much money and he will give you this much, he will return this much money. No, so plus and minus, don't you think they are useful? They are useful things, no, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Plus and minus are very, very useful, so that's why we're using them. Now we saw these questions also, true or false, and we have seen them. So are you ready for, I mean, we did discuss about these rational numbers also. What is the meaning of rational numbers? We just went on to discuss about that. Yes, we discussed all decimal numbers also we discussed. Then after that, we came to this rational numbers. It should be in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q should not be equal to 0. That also we have seen, and we have seen so many examples. Right, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So we have seen all those things. Now, look at this. Can you see, is it a number 0.333333 if it is getting repeated 3333 up to infinity? I mean, it is there up to infinity. I mean, 3333, it is not at all ending. So, I mean, is it a rational number or not? Tell me. Is it a rational number or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is a rational number. Why? Because look at this, turn off your mic. Yes, it is a rational number. That is for sure. Okay, it is a rational number. The reason is, it is a rational number, that is for sure. The reason is, if this decimal expansion is repeating and it is not ending, the decimal expansion is not ending, but this decimal is repeating, no, again and again, 3 is getting repeated, no. So whatever this decimal expansion is there, no. So this decimal expansion means this is going, expanding. This decimal expansion is repeating. So if this decimal expansion is repeating means such numbers are rational numbers for sure. Is it understood? If somebody asks you 0.33333 is rational number or not, you have to say it is a rational number. If they're asking you the reason, what is the reason you should give? The reason you should give is decimal expansion is repeating. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is 0.33333 continuously it is there, no? So it can be written as simply 0.3 bar. If I write 0.3 bar means this 3 is getting repeated again and again and again. Now, for example, let me give you one more example. If it is like 1.2323 continuously, it is getting repeated. 1.2323232323 it is coming up to infinity, then this number can be written as 1.23 bar. Is it understood? So the meaning of writing this bar is like it is getting repeated again and again. Look at this, 2323, again 23 will come, again it will go up to infinity. So such numbers are also called as rational number. Is it a rational number? Yes, of course it is a rational number. Why? Because decimal expansion is repeating. Now if I say 1.135 135, how to write this? Tell me how to write this. 1.135 bar, correct? I hope it is clear.
Yes.
Okay, turn off your mics. Now one more thing I want to tell you, that for example 1.2 is there, then 353535, only 35 is getting repeated. Then how to write this? This is written as 1.2, then whatever 353535 it is there, no, so on 35 just give this bar. So it is like 1.2, then 35 bar. How to read this? The way to read it is 1.135 bar. It's like 1.2, then 35 bar. Bar is on only 35 because 353535 is repeating. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now all these wherever please turn off your mic immediately, okay? Wherever this decimal expansion is there, no, dear children, if this decimal expansion is repeating, whatever decimal expansion is repeating means, then those kind of numbers are for sure rational numbers. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 0.4 is there or 0.3 is there? Is it a rational number? Yesterday I told you 0.3 is a rational number because 3 by 10. Okay, 3 by 10 means it is in the form of p by q, and p is also integer, q is also integer, and q is not equal to 0. That is also one reason. Now you can say whatever this decimal expansion is there, now this is terminating. Now 0.3 means it is terminating or not. After 3 nothing is there. If any number is having terminating decimal, terminating means I mean it is getting ended, no, I mean it is I mean there is end for this 0.3, it got an end here. So terminating decimal means such numbers are also called as rational numbers. Now for example, if somebody asks you 0.4 is a rational number or not, is it a rational number or not, if somebody is asking, immediately you say yes, it is a rational number. If they ask you what is the reason that it is a rational number, then immediately you have to say it is a terminating decimal. What do you have to say? It is having terminating decimal. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me write some numbers. Now if I write 0.343434, is it a rational number or not? Tell me.
Sir, it is a rational number, sir.
It is a rational number. Why? If they ask you reason, what you have to give? You have to say decimal is repeating. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if somebody asks you 0.825, is it a rational number or not? 825, is it a rational number or not?
Rational number, sir.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
If they ask you reason, what will reason you'll give?
Decimal terminating, sir.
Ah, good. Decimal is terminating. Did you catch this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, one more thing, if the number is like this, 0.1235657832468124969, and it is continuing like this. Now, what is this number? What kind of number it is? Tell me. This number, no, look at this. I mean, there is no repetition also, there is no termination also. Non-terminating and non-repeating. What is this? Non-terminating means what? It is not terminating. I mean, there is no end for this. And non-repeating, there is no repetition also. Okay, no repetition also. So these kind of numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating, those numbers are called as irrational numbers. What are these numbers, dear children? These are called as irrational numbers. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so look at this. I mean, there is no ending also. No, I mean, it is not ending also, and there is no repetition also. I mean, if the number is like 0.1235, 1235, 1235, 1235, and continuously, if it is going like this, definitely I can write it as 0.1235 bar. Then I can say it is a rational number. Why? Because decimal, whatever decimal is there, no, it is repeating or not, whatever decimal is there, it is repeating, no? So I can say it is rational number. 1235, 1235, 1235, it is repeating. But here it is a non-terminating and non-repeating. Therefore, it is irrational number. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, if the number is like this, 0.10, 100, 1000, 1000, 1000000. What is the next number? 1000000, and it is continuing like this. Now it is a rational number or irrational number?
Rational number, sir.
No, 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 no. It is irrational number only. Why it is irrational number? Tell me. Because is it ending? Not ending. Non-terminating. Is it repeating? Is something repeating here? Just check here. Non-terminating. Non-repeat. 10 is there. Only 10 10 10 10 10 should come. Here 101 if you take. Next 101 101 101 should come. It is like 10 100 100 140 150, 160, 170, 180, like that it is coming. No, it is not repeating also. No, it is not repeating also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding my point? Non-terminating and non-repeating. It is neither terminating nor repeating. That's why it is irrational number, no?
Yes, sir.
Did you catch all these things, whatever I'm saying? So rational number means it is having two definitions. Please turn off your mic. Rational number means the first thing is like, first definition is it should be in the form of P by Q. It should be in the form of P by Q, and where P and Q, whatever are there, no, so those P and Q should be integers. Those P and Q should be integers, and Q should not be equal to 0. So they are called as rational number. That is one definition. And second definition is whatever decimal is there, no, that decimal should be terminating. If the decimal is terminating, then also it is rational number. And if it is non-terminating also, okay. It is not a terminating, it is not terminating means ending, dear children. Non-terminating, it is not ending also, okay. But at least it should be repeating, right? Non-terminating but repeating. So such numbers are called as rational numbers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So three definition. This is also one definition. These things will study in 9th standard, but anyhow, in 1 year you are going to come to 9th standard also. No, so I am telling you all those things. Now tell me. So whatever 8th standard, 9th standard, and 10th standard you are studying, no, you have to study them together, dear children. Whatever is required, you have to collect them. It's not like you have to concentrate on only one thing. You have to study collectively everything. 9th 10th 9th 8th 9th 10th and all collectively you have to study. You should not look like only 8th standard syllabus I will learn and I won't learn anything related to 9th standard. No, 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 it should not look like that. So whatever 8th syllabus is there, along with that collectively you have to learn this 9th as well as 10th standard syllabus. Do you want to learn like this, or you want to learn only 8th standard syllabus? Tell me, dear children. Only 8th syllabus you want to learn, or along with that supporting 9th and 10th you want to learn? Tell me now.
Yes, sir.
You want to learn supporting 9th and 10th or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So not only 8th standard. Along with 8th standard syllabus, collectively you have to look for these syllabus also. Okay. So these things, no, these are there in 9th standard. I know that. These will come in 10th standard also. But you should have all this basement. Okay. That's what Kalparuksha classes, whatever Kalparuksha classes is there, no. So where Kalparuksha classes stands very different in the education sector is, I mean, if I am teaching 8th standard means anyhow the 8th standard syllabus will be taught. Along with that, nearly 30 to 40% of 9th standard syllabus will also be covered. And along with that, some of the syllabus of 10th standard, all fundamentals will be taught here also. So that's why Kalparuksha classes stands different. When you learn these concepts from other sources, you will get to know that what they are teaching or what they are teaching, you will just get to have that feel about that. Okay, fine. So I hope about this rational number it is clear. Now you must be having curiosity. What are irrational number? Irrational number means it is very simple definition, dear children. Irrational number means again it has two definitions. Two definition as means two meaning. Only definition for this is the number. The number. Please write down the number which cannot be represented. The number which cannot be represented in the form of which cannot be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, where p and q are integers, and q is not equal to 0, and q is not equal to 0. Such numbers are called irrational numbers. Clear, dear children? Is this definition very, very clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
these are called as irrational numbers. Okay, fine. So moving forward, now whatever these irrational numbers are there, now I told you already there are two definitions. Irrational number means one definition just now we have discussed, not in the form of p by q, correct? Not in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. That is one definition. Another is whatever decimal expansion is there, no, that decimal expansion is so that a decimal expansion, whatever it is there, no, it is neither terminating nor repeating. Neither terminating. Neither terminating means neither nor they use, no, neither terminating nor repeating. That means it is not getting terminated also, not getting repeated also. So neither terminating nor repeating. Did you understand this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟು ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ನು ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೋ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು?
Sir.
Okay. Yes or no? Tell me,
Yes.
clear or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Now, these rational numbers plus irrational numbers. Rational numbers, irrational numbers. Together, these all together. Okay, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Together, these are called as real numbers. Real numbers. Okay. If somebody asks you what are real numbers, then you have to say rational numbers and irrational numbers together, they are called as real numbers. Understood, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you make this chart, if you're making a chart, okay, real numbers means how many types of real numbers are there? Two types. What is the first type of real number? One is a rational number, correct? And another is irrational number, no?
Yes, sir.
Real
sir.
numbers means just now I told you one is rational number, another is irrational number. Again, in rational number, which numbers will come? Natural numbers will come, whole numbers will come, and all integers will come, and all decimal numbers and all, they will come, all decimal numbers. Okay, so if you take decimal, no, that too, which decimal will come here? Terminating decimal will come. Terminating decimal will come. And is my screen visible, dear children?
Not, sir.
No, sir.
No, it is not. Okay, let me show you. Some message came there, so that's why that is not visible. Is my screen visible now?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Mallu, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. Okay. So rational numbers means natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, terminating decimal, then 1 second, terminating decimal and a repeating decimal, all these things will come. Terminating decimal and repeating decimal. But irrational numbers means what will come here? Tell me. Non-terminating and non-repeating. non-terminating, and non-repeating. Understood? Complete thing is understood, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Did you okay? I hope the complete chart is understood here. Mallu, did you understand all this?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Okay, good. Awesome. So irrational number means all these things. Okay, shall I move to next thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Now look at this. If I say root 1 means, don't you think it is 1? Root 4, do you know what is the value of root 4? Root 4 is 2, right? Square root
Yes,
of
sir.
9 is 3, right? Square root of 9 is 3, right? Square root of 16, what is the value of square root of 16? Tell me, Mallu
4,
or
4, sir.
Bhagya?
4, sir.
Okay.
4,
Okay.
sir.
4,
Root 81 means?
5,
9, sir.
No, not 5, 9. Root 25 means 5. Okay. Root 144 means?
12, sir.
12. Good. Very good. Root 225 means?
15, sir.
Good. Very good. So like that, whatever this square root of perfect numbers are there, no? I mean, root 16 means 4 you are getting and all. So all these are rational numbers only. Let's look at this. 1 is rational number, 2 is rational number, 3 is rational number, 4, 9, 12, 15. All these are rational numbers or not. So whatever square root of perfect numbers are there, no, perfect squares are there, no, they are all rational numbers. Now if I say root 2, what is the value of root 2? Tell me, Mallu.
4, sir.
Now you don't. No. 2 square is 4. 2 square means 4 is there. No, you understand this, no? 2 square is 4. If you send this square that side, no, what it becomes? It becomes square root of 4. So that's why square root of 4 means 2 you are telling. And 3 square means what is this? 9. If you send this square that side, it becomes square root. So 3 is equal to square root of 9. Square root of 9 means 3 you are saying. Correct, Mallu? And 4 square is equal to what is there?
Yes, sir.
16. So if you send this square that side, it becomes square root. Then you are saying square root of 16 is 4. Like that you are telling. So square root of 2 means actually it comes some value. But right now you don't know. I mean, I know that I can tell you 1.414. Now these numbers, no, root 2 means, I mean, whatever square root of imperfect squares are there, no, it becomes irrational number. It becomes irrational number. This proof is there in 10th standard. We will look up to that. No need to worry about that. Now, if I say root 3, it is also irrational number. Root 4 means it is a rational number. Because root 4 means what will come? 2 will come. So that's why it is not irrational number. This is rational number. Now, after that root 3, I have to go for root 5, then root 6, then root 7, then root 8. Root 9 won't come here because root 9 means 3. Again, it becomes rational number. So that's why I have to go for root 10, then root 11, then root 12, then root 13, then root 14, then root 15. I should leave root 16 because root 16 means 4, no, Mallu?
Yes, sir.
I should leave that. Then root 17, then root 18, then root 19, root 20, root 21, root 22, root 23. Correct? Then root 24. Next 25 won't come. Root 25, root 26. So next up to 36. Like that, whatever these numbers are there, no, dear children, all these are what kind of numbers? All these are irrational numbers. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. So square roots of square roots. Square root means, do you know? Just now I have explained you. Square roots of imperfect squares. Square roots of imperfect squares are irrational numbers. Please keep it in your mind. Whatever imperfect numbers are there, no, those square roots are always irrational number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. So shall I move to next section?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will tell you, say true or false. Okay. Say true or false. You have to say true or false. Okay. Let me give you first question. Every rational number is real number. True or false? every rational number is real number. True or false?
False, sir.
No,
False,
no,
sir.
it is true. No, true. No, real number means, look at this. What are real numbers? Real number means it is combination of rational number and irrational number. No, so whatever rational number comes, that is a real number only. No, real number is divided into two parts. No, whatever rational number is there, that is a real number or not?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So every rational number is a real number. It is true. Okay. Now second one. Did you understand this? Malu, did you understand what I said?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me get into second thing now. So I will say now, every irrational number is real number. Every irrational number is real number. True or false?
True, sir.
True, correct. Because every irrational number is a real number. Because real number itself is having two types. No, I told you, no. Real numbers, two types. What are the two types of real numbers? The two types of real numbers are rational numbers and irrational number. I told you, rational numbers and irrational number together, if both of them together, rational number also, irrational number also, together only they are called as real number, means every irrational number is real number or not? True, no?
Yes, sir.
True, sir.
So every irrational number is real number. Okay. Now I will say you one more thing. Every natural number is a real number. True or false?
False.
True or false? Every natural number is a real number. Malu, tell me. It is
False,
true,
sir.
right? No, no, it is true, yeah. Every natural number is a real number, means look at this, no. Real number means it is divided into two parts, rational number and irrational. Again, in rational number, natural number is there, no. Natural number means it is a rational number, and rational number means it is a real number. So all these things, no, whatever these numbers are there, no, dear children, all these numbers, whatever I have mentioned here, all these numbers are example for real numbers. Real number means it is the biggest set. I mean, it is the biggest number system. I mean, in this only real numbers only, all these numbers are coming, right? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Did you? Okay, I hope you are getting. I don't know whether you are getting to know about this or not. Please repeat this video and see once again so that you get to know about that. Every natural number is a real number. Now, if I say every real number is a natural number, then
False, sir.
it becomes false. Every real number is a natural number means it becomes false. Why? Because real number means it is going to have so many types of numbers. So if I say 1 by 4, it is a real number. 1 by 4 real number, but not a natural number. It is not a natural number. So that's why 1 by 4 is a real number and not a natural number. That's why we are saying every real number is a natural number means it is false. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give you one more example and let me ask you. Every whole number is rational number. Every whole number is rational number. Please think and tell me. Every whole number is a rational number. See, this whole number means what are the examples for whole numbers? Whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these, no? Don't you think these are rational numbers? All these numbers are rational numbers. Don't you think that? See, all these numbers are 0 by 1, 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1. All these become rational numbers or not? All these whole numbers are
Yes,
rational
sir.
numbers or not? Yes, true. So that's why it
Yes,
becomes
sir.
true or not? Hmm? Yes. Whenever
Yes,
we
sir.
are giving you something, no? Whenever we are giving you something, try to take example, okay? I mean, true or false means if somebody asking you true or false means you take an example, check. Okay, you take an example and check. Take an example. Okay, you have to take one example and then you have to check. All right.
Yes, sir.
Clear, dear children? Okay. So you have to take one example, then you have to check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. Dear children, I'm going to send this PDF to your group. Okay, every time once a class is done, these PDFs will be shared with you. The main thing is that anyhow, we will be working very hard from Kalparuksha classes to give all the content to you. Is your you learn them properly and you respond, right, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So it is your
Yes, sir.
learn all of them. Okay, fine. So this document will reach to you. I'm going to end the class. Don't leave the class. I'm going to just stop this video recording of this. I'm going to talk to you a few things because these videos I'll be posting on YouTube also, so that it will be useful for other people also. To stop the class and all right, dear children. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye. Okay,
Bye,
see
sir.
me now.